fell asleep with the sirens out. There's blood on my hands. Somebody